to Excel Church, then we'd like to invite you to our New Person's Coffee and Cake evening, which will be on the 26th of January. It will be at 5:30 p.m. and you can sign up via our website or via Exchange as well, or you can speak to the welcome team if you don't know how to do either of those. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to get to know the leaders and to get to know what Excel Church is all about, so we invite you to come along for coffee and cakes on the 26th of Jan.
Then the heavens, your love reaches out to me.
We're really excited to welcome back to Excel Church Watoto Children's Choir from Uganda, East Africa, and they're going to bring us a brand new concert on Friday the 8th of February. Tickets are going to be available this week from Eventbrite and via our website, not via Exchange like you would normally get them, but they're free. It's going to be an awesome concert. Make sure you get your tickets as soon as possible, and here's a little taster of what they'll be doing. Listen up, ladies, we've got something coming up in our diaries just for you on the 2nd of February. So at 6 p.m. you can come along for some fun and some friendship and some food as well. That'll cost you £7 and there's going to be fun and games and pizza. It's going to be an awesome evening, so make sure you get yourself a ticket and book yourself in today.
Caught up in your overwhelming grace. Your love has set me free. And now
that's everything for Excel News. Have a great week and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.